My name is Albie Hudson McGuire. I'm from Dublin, Ireland, and I'm doing an MSc in marketing. I always wanted to go to UCD Smurfit School. I knew a lot of people before me who went, and after doing some research, I saw that it was globally ranked and the employment rate for all the masters are extremely high. After looking at the different masters in Smurfit, I thought that marketing offered really great modules. They were really practical and are really good for the current level and current trend in marketing. I'm really enjoying digital retailing at the moment. We get to make our own website and create marketing campaigns for it. It's really enjoyable to learn something in class and apply it to real life campaigns. What I really enjoy most about Smurfit is the inclusive and diverse learning environment that it offers. I've made so many friends and different connections. As well as that, I love that they offer activities outside of the academic environment. So, for example, they had the Smurfit Bowl this year, which was Bond themed. So, it was a great opportunity to connect and enjoy times with my friends outside of the academic environment. So I've always wanted to pursue a career in fashion marketing. And I think having modules offered like pricing, consumer behavior, strategic marketing management, they're all really current and practical modules that I know I can apply in the real world and will really help me achieve my own goals in fashion marketing.